Welcome back to Fuji Guy's channel. My name is Francis. So in this series of videos, we're going to take a look on how to use certain features of the X-T4. So if you're interested, keep on watching. So the X-T4 offers a couple of different bracketing options, and then we're going to take a look how to access them and then how to choose which bracketing option we want to use. So first we need to be set to the bracketing on the selector wheel here. And then we're gonna be pushing the drive button, which is this one by default, the front one, but you can change it to a different button if you'd like to in the function setting customization. So let's push on it and then it will bring up the options for the bracketing option we currently have selected. So right now it's set to auto exposure bracketing settings, and then I can go and change the various options. And then just like that. But if I go back, and then here is going to be where I select which bracketing mode I want to be using. So if I toggle to the right with the joystick or press on the right arrow here, I can choose between these bracketing options. So let's say I want to do film simulation bracketing. That's the bracketing option I have right now. So I'm just going to half press the shutter to get out. And then you can see the icon there. It's telling me that I am in film simulation bracketing. So pushing on the drive button again, I can customize the way it's going to behave. So the different film simulations I want to have. So let's say I want a Pro Via, and then I want a classic chrome, and then I want an classic negative, right? So it's set. Now let's just take a picture. And then if I go into the playback mode, I can see now I have a classic negative, I have a classic chrome, and I have a Pro Via image. So this is how you can access and select the different bracketing options on the X-T4.